What is SolScan and how to use it? TLDR. SolScan is an alternative Solana blockchain explorer. It gives you access to blockchain data regarding transactions, contracts, accounts, and more. If you regularly use Solana or do any troubleshooting, understanding how to use a blockchain explorer is extremely useful. SolScan also has DeFi and NFT dashboards and an analytics platform to browse. You can also use their API to create customized feeds for yourself. All of these are found in the header of the website. Introduction. Solana is a proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain where project developers can build dApps, tokens, and smart contracts. Like any other active chain, users need an intuitive way to access the blockchain data. Similar to Is SolScan and EtherScan, Solana also has a dedicated block explorer called SolScan. Let's run through its most important features and a few basic tutorials. What is SolScan? SolScan is a blockchain explorer used to search through information on the Solana blockchain. It's a popular alternative to the official Solana Explorer. SolScan turns complex transactional data into something that can be easily read. The Block Explorer provides access to anything recorded on-chain, including crypto transactions, addresses, smart contracts, blocks, tokens, and more. It's free to use and doesn't require an account, but you can create one and log in for enhanced functionality. Why should I use SolScan? Using a blockchain explorer is essential for anyone transacting with a network. If you aren't sure where your staked funds have gone, or perhaps a transaction is still pending, you can use SolScan to find out what's happened. All information on SolScan comes directly from the Solana blockchain, so you can be sure it's accurate. Using SolScan or any blockchain explorer will help you understand the mechanics of dApps you interact with and the transactions you make. SolScan uses the same format as EtherScan, making it easier to understand. Many users prefer its layout to Solana's official explorer. It's all free to use and contains several useful tools, lists, and analytical graphs. The Explorer also contains a set of public APIs that can leverage real-time data from SolScan into custom, third-party applications, and tools. How to look up transactions and addresses on SolScan? One of SolScan's most used features is the search function for transactions and addresses. With the correct hash, you can quickly access a large amount of information. This includes transaction fees, confirmations, timestamps, addresses involved, and more. Transactions. 1. Every Solana transaction is recorded on the Solana mainnet with a signature. This is a long string of numbers and letters that looks like this. 5JLCGJQF. SGA1 Beast Q2I. F. Lufer G1 POW. SWRZC8C8CZFW3VQVXS. JGJW3BS. UI. Tribute TV's 83 XOR 6 hoax. 2. Copy and paste the signature into SolScan's search bar and hit enter. 3. You'll now see all available information about the transaction you searched. This is divided into 3 categories: Overview, Sol Balance Change, and Token Balance Change. 4. The Overview category will have most of the details you need. Let's go through the list. 5. For further information, the Sol Balance Change and Token Balance Change tabs provide data on the transaction's token balance changes for all parties involved. Addresses. A similar method can be used to find out more about an individual address. You can then check a detailed history of the address's activities. This can give you an overview of the transactions and smart contract interactions of a particular wallet. 1. Find the Solana address you want to look at. It's shorter than a signature and looks something like this. 138 KHW. Takin Glue 8 FK5I 8 UX. Utwalk 5 TC807M9 Rai 1 CD8. 2. Copy and paste the address into SolScan's search bar and hit enter. 3. You'll now see all available information about the account you searched for. The Overview section shows current account balances, while the bottom tabs deal mainly with transaction history. How to find tokens on SolScan? Tokens are easily verifiable on SolScan and you can get a full display of their details. You just need to 1. Copy and paste the token address into SolScan search bar and hit enter. In this example, we've used a wrapped version of Bitcoin, BTC, but you can also use a wrapped version of Ethereum, ETH, or any other SPL token in the Solana network. The token address looks like this. 9N4NBM75F5UI33 SPN59EU. State CGS. HT. ETH5 ETH9E. 2. If you entered the address correctly, you would see the following information. How do I find Solana's active accounts? 1. You can find out the number of active accounts and other key blockchain metrics by clicking Analytics. 2. The SolScan Analytics page has a wide range of information about network nodes, transactions per second, TPS, new tokens, new NFTs, and more. Under the Accounts header, you can find the number of daily active wallets. 3. Note that you can select different periods at the top right corner. How to access DeFi dashboards on SolScan. 1. Some of the largest DEXs in the Solana ecosystem have dashboards built into the Solana Block Explorer. You can find them quickly under the DeFi tab. 2. Let's take a look at Orca. This dashboard shows basic information on total value locked, TVL, volume, and active trading pairs available in their liquidity pools. How to access the NFT dashboard on SolScan. 1. SolScan makes it easy to see new NFTs, trades, and collections with the NFT dashboard. You can find the section in the website header. 2. The NFT dashboard will let you search through any NFT available on Solana. The Collections tab will give you a list of NFT projects based on volume. The Trades tab will show the most recent sales, while the New NFTs will list the most recent mints. Closing thoughts. Whether you want to inspect your latest metaverse NFTs, investigate a node, or check the wallets of a new startup, you will need a Solana Block Explorer. This tool is an integral part of any blockchain network's ecosystem. SolScan has become one of the most used within the Solana community, so understanding its layout and UI can certainly help. Don't forget to have enough crypto to cover your transaction fees when deploying your DAO to a blockchain. Aragon. Aragon allows you to create a DAO organization on Ethereum, Polygon, Andromeda, or Harmony. The project provides open source software through its Aragon client, enabling the creation of customized DAOs. The project is also run via a DAO and has its own non-profit organization to manage Aragon's raised funds. Creating an Aragon-based DAO is quite simple. You'll need to 1. Own an Ethereum name service domain. 2. Make sure you have enough crypto to pay the DAO creation fee, 0.2 ETH plus gas fees. 3. Create an organization linked to the ENS domain through the Aragon dApp. There are several preset organization structures you can use. 4. Configure your settings, such as vote duration and percentage support needed, and then launch the DAO. You can find further information in Aragon's FAQ. Snapshot. Snapshot is a customizable off-chain voting mechanism. It uses digital signatures via wallets to cast votes based on a snapshot of token owners. A certain block is chosen, and all token holders and/or stakers have their holdings noted. This stops users from purchasing more tokens to influence an open vote. Keeping votes off-chain works well for multi-chain projects where users have governance tokens across many blockchains. To create your voting system on Snapshot, you'll need to 1. Own an ENS domain. This must be on the Ethereum mainnet regardless of what blockchain your project operates on. 2. Link snapshot to your ENS domain. 3. Customize your space's settings, such as admins, voting power strategies, terms, etc. 4. Verify your space. This will include having at least 1,000 members and proof of ownership of the related project. You can find full instructions on Snapshots docs. DAO Stack Alchemy. DAO Stack Alchemy is a tool for creating DAOs on Ethereum and Gnosis chain, formerly known as DAI. Through their UI, you can create a fairly simple DAO, add DAO members, and open your organization. As of writing, the fee for setting up a DAO on Ethereum is roughly 0.2 Ether, ETH, but you don't need an ENS in this case. To create a DAO Stack DAO, connect your wallet to their dApp, go through the 4 steps shown, and pay your fee. You will need roughly 0.2 ETH to successfully deploy the DAO. Examples of successful DAOs. If you need some inspiration on the rules and setups that work best, take a look at some of the established DAOs in crypto. Some run incredibly detailed and open organizations that operate like large businesses. A few examples to look at include MakerDAO. MakerDAO is one of the oldest, most successful DAOs on the market. The organization manages the crypto-collateralized DAI stablecoin. They split proposals into governance polls for non-technical decisions and executive votes for smart contract changes. Anyone holding MKR, the project's governance DAO token, can participate. Aave. Aave is a DeFi lending platform on Ethereum that lets holders of the ERC20 token Aave or staked Aave participate in its DAO. Along with project changes, Aave governance also votes on new projects built on the protocol and Aave grants to fund ideas. Uniswap. Uniswap is a multi-chain automated market maker, AMM, that has inspired a generation of DeFi projects. It's one of the largest decentralized exchanges, and UNI holders can vote on and create proposals. To submit a new proposal, you need to hold at least 0.25% of the UNI's total supply. To encourage healthy discussion, there is a governance forum for community members to debate changes. Conclusion. Creating your own DAO is easy to do technically, but running one successfully is difficult. As you've seen, many simple tools exist to get you running quickly. However, the key to creating your DAO will be your project and community.